Right now, this one's back. So there you go, people. On this video I'm going to show how I put back together this one, okay, if everything goes well, of course, but that's the idea. I needed to take it apart because unfortunately the crankshaft had too much play in the axle, okay, and the other one was that here has a seal, okay, but the original seal had too much play. So that was the first problem. And the second one, when I was checking this, I found out that actually the axle has too much play. So that's what's going to happen in this video. I hope you like it. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's go. So right now, yesterday I did already this, okay. Here behind is a shim from 0.25 millimeters, okay, in this side and the other side. And then here in the crankshaft, I built those two, okay, 1.5 and 1.5. So voila, this should be it. So hopefully now the play is all gone. So let's see. So that's too much still. So let's put some more shims. There we go, people. So as you saw in the video, right now the plate's gone, it's perfect, okay. It's a 0.15 millimeters, so voila, that's good. So let's get everything back together. Start by cleaning this one again, you know, and re-cleaning this, so if ever it comes a crack or something, you know, then you can right away see it. So let's do that. Clean everything up, this one too. And yeah, start to build it. So I'm going to show not all of it, okay, but I'm gonna show a few steps, like tack 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 until it's all complete, okay. So yeah, let's keep on going. Okay. So there we go, people. Right now these ones are back. Let's see, everything is closed. This one is ready now to be mounted. Yeah, later I still need to the crankshaft. I need to put it on timing and so, but yeah, this is, for me, in my mind at least, this is the most work, you know. Like once this is done, then the rest it's easier. But yeah, okay, let's keep on going. So there you go. So this one is in place now. Carefully put it in. So yeah, let's bolt it on. Okay, and then put it here back in the table and see, yeah, show the next step. So I needed to check it because I actually didn't know it anymore out of my head. So yeah, those 4 here upper, okay, they should go at let's say 30 foot-pounds, okay, or 4.15 kilograms meter, I guess is that. So yeah, I put it at 30 pounds. Okay. Okay, there you go. 4. And yes, if you are asking yourself why you don't have a shorter one, well, I don't have it. I have this set, okay, and yes, this is blood I killed myself. So yeah, let's keep on going. Now do these little ones here and voila. So if you're asking yourself how much it should be, okay, as a strength, let's show it. There you go. Voila. Okay, there you have it. Let's try to show it. Tuck, tuck. Hopefully it's better like this. Okay, so the proper timing, at least for this 850 commando, is like 10 of those, okay, in between the points here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Voila! Okay. So point and point here, okay. Then this one, okay, is always left thread. What does it mean? That when you tie it up, you are getting loose it, and when you lose it, you tie it up like normal thread, you know, like right thread. So in this case, normally you put it like this and you go in, but now it's the other way around. So okay. Voila. So what I was saying, okay, check the arrow, yeah, so you can properly see it. Let's see, yeah, okay, so it's this way, okay. So why I say this, because out of experience, okay, later on I'm gonna tie it up properly, but okay, out of experience, people had once that this one, it didn't come off, and I thought like, oh, it's really in this model right-handed. No, it's always left-handed, okay. Those in Norton, as far as I know, they are always left-handed. So if you want to lose it, you need to go the other way around. This one was so badly that actually I needed to weld it. Let's see. Okay, and use an impact tool. And even though I used the impact tool, it didn't work. How I got loose it? Because I put the crank, this crank, not this one, but yeah, I put it there in the clamp, and with a really long bar, I just click, and oh my god, that was difficult. So okay, really important. Voila. Yes. Okay, let's keep on going. So right now I'm checking all this. Okay, I check all the threads, And actually I found out that there is 1, 2, 3 and 4 that they are not good. Okay, I just check it with this one, just checking, ta-da-da-da. And I'm happy that I double checked, because this cover actually was holded only for 1 bolt, because I had a problem before that I couldn't put the cover all the way in, and I don't know why, but now I found out why. This one was like 2 millimeters out of the place. So voila. Right now I'm gonna redo this one, and I need to close everything, of course, so it doesn't get dirty. And yeah, then I can put finally the cover back. So let's get to it. So there we go. Let's see, this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All good to go. Okay. And funny enough, and I knew it, but I wasn't sure. This one actually connects with this one. So when I blow here, it went through here, and this was yeah, full with some rest of material. So I needed to clean it up pretty well. And now it's all good. So yeah, let's put the oil pump back. This one is tied up. This one is tied up too. So yeah, now I can finally put this one and close it. Let's see. So there you go, people. Okay, I hope you like this video. Okay, and yeah, next week I'm gonna move on with electricity and yeah, everything. So just build it up. Hopefully in 2 weeks it's running. Fingers crossed. And yeah, as you can see behind me, the Dominator is here. So soon you're gonna see another video of the engine and what happened and so a little cliffhanger. Remember, if you like to support the channels, you can do so by buy me a coffee, okay? Or super thanks below, you can click it on, and like, subscribe, share it, okay? And see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.